Hello friends, warm greetings from Eglavi Academy. Today we are going to see the next important topic in artificial intelligence, alpha beta pruning. So what is alpha beta pruning? It is the modified version of min-max algorithm. The two important parameters of alpha beta pruning are alpha and beta. Alpha is associated with maximizer, beta is associated with minimizer. The initial value for alpha is minus infinitive. The initial value for beta is plus infinitive. The main condition which required for alpha beta pruning is beta less than or equal to alpha. While we are doing the alpha beta pruning, we should remember four things. The max player will only update the value for alpha. The min player will only update the value for beta. While backtracking the tree, the node values will be passed to the upper nodes instead of values of alpha and beta. Next one is we will only pass the alpha beta values to the child nodes. Okay. Now we are going to see the example how to prune the tree using alpha beta. So this is the example. This is root node. It is in maximizer. It is minimizer. It is maximizer. It is in minimizer. So the initial value for alpha is minus infinitive. Beta is plus infinitive. Okay. The initial call starts from A. At A, the maximizer must choose the max of C and B. So A called C first. At C, the minimizer. The minimizer must choose the minimum of F and G. Okay. Hence, F calls first. At F, the value of alpha should be calculated because it is in the maximizer level. So what is the formula for calculating alpha? So alpha is equal max of minus infinitive comma node value. So here the node value is left node value is 43. So which one is maximum? 43. So the value of alpha is 43. Okay. Then now we should check the condition to traverse the right child of F. So the condition is beta less than or equal to alpha. So what is the value of beta initially? Plus infinitive. Value of alpha is 43 here. Plus infinitive less than or equal to 43. The condition is false. Suppose if the condition is true means there is no need to traverse the right child. Okay. So now we should traverse the right child. In the right child, again we should calculate the alpha value. So alpha is equal max of minus infinitive comma. The right child value is 12. Then previously we are having the alpha value is 43. So max of 43 comma 12. So which one is maximum here? 43. So the value of alpha is 43. Okay, the value of beta is plus infinitive currently. At this stage, the value of alpha is 43, beta is plus infinitive. Previously, we know that only the node values passed to the upper nodes, okay, which means we can't pass the alpha beta value to the node F. Instead of that, we should find which one is maximum here, because the node F in the maximize the level. So between 43 and 12, so which one is the maximum? 43. Okay, so now we complete the step 1. Okay, now the value 43 is passed to the node C. At minimizer level, we should find the beta value. So what is the formula for beta? Min of plus infinitive comma node value. So what is the node value here? 43. So the minimum value is 43. Okay. Now we should check the condition beta less than or equal to alpha. If the condition false means we can explore further. Otherwise, we stop here. Okay. So what is the value for beta? That is 43. So value for alpha is minus infinitive. Okay. Because every time the alpha value is reset, it moves to another level, means from max to min means the value for alpha is reset. So 43 less than or equal to minus infinitive means the condition is false. So we are going to explore in further. So C calls G, then G is in the maximizer level, which means we should compute the value for alpha. So alpha is equal max of minus infinitive comma node value. So minus infinity comma node value is what? 32. So which one is maximum here? 32. So the alpha value is 32. Got it? Then we should check the condition beta less than or equal to alpha. Okay. So what is the value for beta? 43. Alpha value is 32. So the condition is false. So we should traverse the next node. So which is 31. So the alpha value for 31 is max of, already the alpha value is 32, 32 comma 31. So which one is maximum? 32. So the alpha value is 32. Okay. Now we should find the maximum one here, because we should pass the node value to the upper node. Okay, we can't pass the alpha beta value. So the node value 32 and 31, which one is the maximum? 32. Okay, so currently what is the value for alpha? 32, beta is 43. Okay, so the current value of nodes, so the node value of F is 43, the node value of G is 42. So the next level is the node C is in the minimum. So we should find the minimum between these two, 43 and 32. So which one is minimum? 32. So the value 32 is written to the node C. Okay. Now the node C pass the value 32 to the root node. The root node is in the maximizer. Okay. So maximizer means we should calculate the alpha value. So what is the formula for alpha? Max of minus infinity comma node value. So max of minus infinity comma 32, which means maximum value is 32. So the alpha value is 32. So A calls B now. Okay. Then B calls D. Then D calls 20. The node D is in the maximizer level. So we should find the alpha value. So alpha is equal max of. So already the alpha value from node A is 32, comma, then node value is 20. So which is maximum? 32. So the alpha value is 32. Then we should check the condition beta less than or equal to alpha. Now the beta value is plus infinitive. Okay, so beta is equal plus infinitive. So beta less than or equal to alpha. So beta value is plus INF less than or equal to alpha value 32. The condition is false. So we must traverse the right child also. Okay. So for the right child, we should compute the alpha value. So the formula for alpha, we know that max of, so already the alpha value is 32, the node value is 23 now. So the maximum is 32, still the value of alpha is 32. Then beta is plus infinitive in this stage. Then the node value for D is in the maximizer level, which means we should find the maximum value between 20 and 23. So the maximum value is 23. return to the node D. Okay. The value 23 passed to node B. Node B is in the minimizer level. Minimizer means we should find the beta value. So what is the formula for beta? Min of plus infinitive comma node value. So here plus infinitive comma node value is 23. So the minimum value is 23. Okay. Now we should check the condition for further node exploration. Beta less than or equal to alpha. So what is the beta value here? 23. Then alpha value is 32. Yes, the condition is true. Suppose if the condition false means we can explore in further. But here the condition is true. So we stop the process here. Okay. So the nodes E 10, 13 is not traversed. Okay. So this is the example for how we should do the alpha beta pruning in artificial intelligence. I hope you people are enjoying this one. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. For further updates, you can join in the Telegram. The link for the Telegram is provided in the video as well as in the description box. Kindly refer it. Once again, thank you all.